This is an amazing project. Demanding,
Complex.
High profile. We're taking on one of the most challenging projects in the almost 40 years history of our company, painting the Tatsu roller coaster here at the Magic Mountain.
it is about 16 years old, and it has not been painted since the day we built it. While the paint has held up well, it is suffering the rages of the sun. It's time to give it a bright, fresh new look.
PPG PSX 700 is an engineered siloxane with exceptional durability, color and gloss retention, chemical and corrosion resistance. Perfect for an environment that gets high UV exposure, a lot of wear and tear. It's going to provide them a beautiful, vibrant roller coaster that their customers enjoy for many years to come.
The thing that I like to do when we're painting a new roller coaster is I really like to change the color. Everybody will notice it.
This is an iconic figure for Six Flags, and so we got to really make sure we're using the right products in the right places.
This project in itself, I started working with Six Flags on almost 10 years ago. And because of the massive challenge that it is, the project's been delayed over the years, but this is the season we're getting Tatsu repainted.
Process starts off with a steam clean. We wash off any grease or lubricants and as much of the oxidized and chalked up paint as we can. We go through and inspect the surface for any rust that may have developed. That all gets spot primed. Then we start applying the color coats.
The vast majority of our coaster projects around the country are done with PSX 700.
Its ability to cover with one coat, that's really attractive to Six Flags. It helps save on costs. We're very proud of our technology that goes into it.
Even though there are newer products and newer chemistries, I just haven't found that they have stood the test of time like the PSX product line has.
Everything about this is going to be a signature project when it's said and done. Tatsu is a beast.